students, in this video we are going to study about local winds. Children, there are two types of winds. They are permanent winds and local winds. In the permanent winds, they are also called planetary winds or prevailing winds. We studied the important planetary winds are the easterlies or the trade winds, the westerlies and the polar winds. Now we are going to study about the local winds. Winds that arise due to local or regional changes in temperature or pressure are known as local winds. When there are changes in temperature or pressure, the winds blow, they are called the local winds. They affect small areas for short periods of time. The permanent winds or planetary winds blowing from a particular direction, but the local winds can flow from any direction. So it is some local winds such as the monsoons, they are periodic. Land and sea breezes, they are also periodic. They may become periodic winds for a fixed period or which may be for a day or a season. So the local winds, they are not following the exact rules or the locations from which the planetary winds are blowing. They can blow from any direction. Then children, we are going to study about the two important local winds. They are the land breeze and the sea breeze. Children, we must understand that the land becomes hot very quickly. The daytime is available for becoming the land and water to heat up. Comparing with water, the land becomes hot very quickly during the daytime. The hot air from the land rises up. The hot air from the land rises up. There a low pressure region created. The air becomes thin in that region. To that region, the cool air from the sea or above the regions of the sea, the air is very cool and having high pressure. So from the areas of high pressure above the sea, the wind blows, cool air blows towards the land, that is known as the sea breeze. That is called the sea breeze. Sea breeze occurs during the daytime. Then students, we are going to study about land breeze. Think about the night time. The land cools very quickly, but the water takes more time to become cool. So the sea is warmer than the land. The air or the hot air above the sea rises and a region of low pressure created, or the air becomes thin above the sea, and above the land the air is cool and having high pressure. So from the land the cool air blows towards the sea during the night. That breezes are called land breeze. That is called land breeze. So we must understand that sea breeze blows during the daytime and land breeze blows during the night time. Then students, the monsoon winds we are going to study. They are the monsoon that was originated from an Arabic word that called Mosim, which means seasons. That the monsoon winds are seasonal. They blow in a particular season and they come back when the season is changed. The winds come back when the seasons are changed. So there is advancing monsoon and retreating monsoon. Students, during the summer season, the interior parts of India, that is very hot, the air from the interior parts of India, or especially the south and southeastern parts of Asia, south and southeastern parts of Asia also the same conditions arise. The air, due to the severe summer heat, rises up. There are huge regions of low pressure created in the interior parts of the continent, especially in India also, in the internal parts of India. There huge low pressure regions are created, but the air, the atmosphere above the Indian Ocean, that is very cool, heavy and having high pressure. So the winds that blow from the Indian Ocean and advancing towards the interior parts, that flow of air or that winds are called southwest monsoon winds. Southwest monsoon winds. They are actually originating from the Indian Ocean, but they strike the peninsula and through the Arabian Sea and through the Bay of Bengal. Above the Bay of Bengal, these winds reach the inner parts of India and causes rain in the inner parts of India. And in the Asian continent, it originates the low pressure region created in the southern and southeastern parts of Asia. Then the winds from the Indian Ocean blows towards the southern and southeastern parts of Asia, both in India and other parts of Asia. Southeastern parts of Asia, the monsoon winds blows. That is called advancing monsoon. In India, it is also known as southwest monsoon. Then students, the winds slowly reaches the northeastern part of India, where the hills are there, Meso Hills, Garo Khasi Hills and Chandia Hills. There are many hills are there, Purvanchal ranges are there. So where the winds are blocked and the winds turn their direction, where the Himalayas also block the monsoon winds and the northern part of India receives rainfall. And by the end of October, the winds start to come back, because above the Indian Ocean, the low pressure regions are created due to increasing temperature, because that is near to equator regions, and this temperature increases above the Indian Ocean. There the low pressure regions are created, but in the inner parts of India, the northern parts of India and the high pressure zones develop over the interior of Asia, interior parts of Asia and interior parts of India, where the winter season is there. Due to this winter season, the pressure increases and the air is heavy and cool. This cool wind, these monsoon winds becomes cool and blows towards the Indian Ocean. It passes through the Bay of Bengal and it passes through the Arabian Sea, the monsoon comes back, that is called a retreating monsoon or the northeast monsoon. The northeast monsoon. So students, that is about the monsoon winds that blow in India. Two monsoon seasons, they are the southwest monsoon and northeast monsoon. So children, we studied about the two types of local winds and the monsoon winds in today's video. I hope you understood the topic. Thank you.